morning. It's time to feed the animals. I saw the escapee sourdough, the chicken, wandering around here outside of the fenced-in area. I don't know where she's at, but I'll look for her after I feed the goats. Do something like that, and then I'll just add to it. Something like that. Alright, well, here we go. The escape artist. She knows how to get back over. We put all these things on the fence to keep her from jumping it. She just jumps on this ledge right here. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. Good morning. Out. Looking for somewhere to lay an egg.
Good morning. We are getting ready to go put our stuff out at the farm stand. So today we actually, for the first time ever, we have sourdough bread and we have sourdough cookies, and we're gonna have some summer squash, and then we also have our eggs like we always do. This is a cheddar everything sourdough loaf, and then we just have 2 classics and of course some cookies. We have some here that are cooling, getting ready to get packaged, and then we have another batch in the oven that are going right now to load up and then take it out to the farm stand. I'm a little late this morning just because I had burnt one of the batches of cookies, so we had to do another batch. But let's start loading up and taking it to the farm stand. All right, we got this loaded up.
Come on, Freya. Let's go this way. We're going to the farm stand. Come on. You have to put 2 more.
Yeah, in case the wind comes. And then there's eggies down here and cookies, which will bring more cookies out.
Don't push. Yeah. What are we going to do right now?
The farm stand.
Yeah, we're walking to the farm stand. We're walking to the farm stand to see what kind of money is in there. Because when we just got back from running some errands, one of the loaves of bread and a dozen eggs were gone. So it's pretty cool. As soon as we put stuff into that farm stand, it goes. Like, we sell it like within hours. So people are getting to know that we've got stuff here. So let's check it out, see what kind of money we made. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the one for you.
All right. Yeah, let's go back to the house. How much is there?
$2.
$2?
$2.
I think I said 14, right?
We installed this new chicken nesting boxes. Oh, and there is an egg in there. Awesome. So 1 egg, but we got this new nesting boxes and it's awesome. It's supposed to have it so like the egg rolls down, but our chickens really like to nest deep and they like a lot of hay in their nesting boxes, so we just do it like that, which is fine. And now we're gonna go check the other hidden egg spot. Hello ladies. All right, so they've really been liking. Whoa, what are you doing in there? You crazy? You were just all up in there, you crazy girls. All right, so they really like laying underneath here a lot. I don't see any eggs. Also, these guys, have you been crushing the eggs? We've been having such issue with the eggs because these ladies have been laying in this hay and we don't know what's happening to them, huh? Yeah, either these guys are crushing them or we're just not able to find them. No eggs in here that I can see. Who knows, they could be buried deep somewhere in there. The egg that I found has a little hole in it, and I don't know if that was from a chicken who pecked at it and was trying to eat it, or what's the deal with that. But unfortunately this is no longer good because it has a hole in it, so that can let bacteria in, and so you don't want to eat it. You can give it to like your dogs, you can cook it and give it to your dogs, or give it back to the chickens, but we are not going to be selling this one.
Well, it's time. They're yelling. Yelling that they want some food. So we're gonna get some food for these girls. Are you excited? Get back, come on. Wow. All right, share it. I gotta go get all the stuff from the farm stand. Let's go grab the cart and head on up to the farm stand and grab that stuff. Alright, well, we sold 1 bread. Doesn't look like any squash. And no cookies, but 1 dozen eggs. Well, that's good for one day.